This is really an evolution of Benchmade's push-button autos. With the challenge that we gave the design engineering to create a full frame, full-size push-button auto, cut as much weight out of it as possible without compromising strength. So they took it to the next level and sought to make it the strongest push-button auto in their product line. The Claymore is introducing CPM D2. The CPM process creates such a fine carbide structure, it increases the toughness of the knife. A lot of design elements went into this handle. A lot of times ribbing is put on the inside of the handle. We wanted to extend that to the outside of the handle, give it that kind of a ribbed look. We have this ball bearing style of texture in these windows, as well as nice grip features. It's very comfortable in all grip positions, no matter how you grab it. Also, the oversized release button, we added some knurling to that. And in the safety, there's a little red indicator for when the safety is off. We also added this forward texture. It's based off of Morse code. If you're in this pinch grip, gives you a little bit of surer of a feel. Embedded US MFG, because this whole knife is 100% made in USA, right in our factory in Oregon. We've added a lot of styling details as well as mechanical details to make this the next generation push-button auto for Benchmade.
This is the Schrade SCH F59 Full Tang Fixed Blade Knife. Built full tang tough and forged from a single slab of 65 Mn high carbon steel, the SCH F59 is designed to take on the toughest bushcraft and camping chores. Whether batoning or making feather sticks, the SCH F59 boasts top-notch edge retention, ensuring that you never lose your edge. Weighing just over 6 ounces, the SCH F59 features a 4-inch long drop point blade that is razor sharp and big enough to handle a variety of bushcraft tasks without weighing you down. A 2.5-inch topside false edge enhances penetration power when piercing or using the SCH F59 for drilling tasks, such as tapping trees for water. Textured G10 handle slabs give the SCH F59 a slim profile and allow for a comfortable full grip regardless of weather conditions. The spine of the blade features thumb rest jimping to furthermore enhance grip during power cuts while promoting all-day blister-free use. An ergonomic finger guard keeps fingers well behind the blade. The SCH F59 arrives seriously sharp in a black thermoplastic belt sheath featuring an oversized belt loop that attaches to any size belt and includes a quality ferro rod, guaranteeing that you'll have a campfire wherever your adventures may take you. Ready for adventure, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCH F59 Full Tang Fixed Blade Knife.
This is the Gerber Propel AO. Gerber Propel has G10 scales that wrap around the entire knife, giving you a confident grip no matter how you carry it. To deploy the blade, move down the safety selector switch to red and engage the thumb stud. This will expose a 420 high carbon black oxide coated blade. The Tonto tip blade has a slight curvature to it, so it's great for prodding and slicing. We've also got serrations across the bottom so you can tear through hard material. To redeploy the blade, hit the plunge lock it back in place, and move the safety selector switch forward to ensure it doesn't open again. On the reverse, you've got a spike pommel. This is great for windows or other things you need to break in a hurry. You also have a reversible pocket clip, so whether you like to carry it tip up, tip down, or on your left or right side, you can easily modify it to your personal needs. Proudly made in Portland, Oregon. This is the Gerber Propel AO.
This is the Empower by Gerber. The Empower is an automatic knife that blends military-grade insights and materials with modern styling. Empower features armored grip, which is an electroform scale delivering sure hand feel and a bold look. The Empower series is USA made right here in Portland, Oregon, using S30V stainless blade steel, available in either black oxide or stonewash finish. The anodized aluminum handle is available in urban blue, gray, and black. The Empower series is easy to use and safe to stow, with a plunge lock and safety slide. You decide how to carry it, with an integral lanyard hold or a 2-position pocket clip for tip up or tip down carry. Built on decades of experience as a U.S. military supplier, the Empower is armored and ready for every day.
The Adamas family of knives, designed by Shane Seibert, has been very popular for Benchmades, and they gained a reputation of being tanks. Just indestructible, hard-use folders. And so we wanted to stay true to the original design, but upgrade it both in some styling and in a materials standpoint. There's a lot of popularity in the military with these. They can put it through any abuse and rely on it. In the automatic, we're retaining the Desert Tan colorway, but we've lightened the blade. We've also added a completely new colorway to the family, and this is an OD-G10 and Flat Earth Cerakote. This gives us a very earth tone colorway for this family. And then lastly, we've always had a black version, but now we're tungsten gray Cerakote, black G10. Again, cutting down a little bit on the high contrast jet black. This particular Cerakote has a slight texture to it, so it's a little bit more matte and less reflectivity. Other things that we've done across the entirety of the family is upgrade the blade steel. New this year for the Adamas family, we are introducing CPM crew wear. We've also added a new extension, so we've always had the manuals and the autos, and now we've added a mini version of the manual in the 273. One thing that everybody knows and loves about the Adamas is their large knives. We wanted something that was a little bit more EDC friendly. It's still a full-size knife, fills the hand very well, but isn't quite as big and bulky as the full-size knife. The redesigned Adamas family, definitely a great extension on what was a very popular family.
The M16 10KZ, designed by Kit Carson, features a high-carbon stainless steel blade with combined razor-sharp and triple-point serrations. The 3-inch dual hollow grind blade has a Tonto tip that is excellent for penetration. Glass-filled nylon handles form an open-build frame which is easy to clean and built to sustain heavy use. It also has a stainless steel locking liner which, when used with our auto-lock safety, automatically turns the folder into a virtual fixed blade. The auto-lock safety mechanism features easy one-handed closing. The Carson flipper enables a smooth, fast, one-handed deployment and also acts as a blade guard. CRKT knives and tools are fully backed by our limited lifetime warranty. The M16Z EDC series have set the industry standard for quality and value in everyday carry folding knives.
The 511 Expert Spearpoint is a full-size tactical or utility knife and offers superior strength and durability. This knife was crafted in partnership with world-renowned blade designer Mike Vellekamp and is constructed of CPM S30V steel. It features a 3 3/4 inch long, 4mm thick recurve edge blade and has positive grip studs for maximum user control with a no-glint black oxide coating on all the hardware. The heat-treated stainless steel liner ensures maximum tensile strength, while the G10 scale panels at the handle provide a confident grip with or without gloves. We've included a reversible carry clip and a Torx wrench for upgrades or modifications, and we also added a lanyard hole. This is the 511 Expert Folder Spear Point.
SOG's brand was built on fixed blades made for military and uniformed professionals. Our updated system of Pentagon fixed knives builds on that tradition. Pentagon FX adds a fixed blade option to our next generation Pentagon family, with a full-sized 4.8-inch blade option and the covert at 3.4 inches. Both are the next generation of our popular Pentagon dagger, featuring a ground-up redesign for superior function and durability, while improving on its balance and piercing ability. We worked with professional end users to tune our design, and they love the updated dagger profile that can confidently penetrate multiple layers of Kevlar body armor, as well as the removable handles for an even sleeker profile with the single fastener design. Both Pentagon FX knives use cryo-treated S35 VN steel for a full tang design with improved finger guards. What we found to be one of the biggest opportunities for innovation with fixed blades is the sheath system. Many manufacturers simply fold up some Kydex and call it a day. From user interviews, we found that most sheaths did not perform to their specifications or mission requirements. So, as part of Pentagon FX, we developed a number of sheath technologies that will debut on these two knives that you will also see rolled out on future SOG products. Our Universal Mounting System, or UMS for short, offers interchangeability with multiple mounting systems, such as adding a secondary retention strap, drop leg adapter, UMS clip, or a combination of these based on the user's mission requirements. SOG's UMS clip provides a low-profile, high-strength, MOLLE-compatible mounting solution that is not only compatible with SOG knives, but other products as well. The full-size Pentagon FX features a toolless, draw-force adjustable sheath that allows you to change the retention strength as needed, even in the field. The Cobra sheath, on the other hand, is as minimal as it can get and narrow enough to snugly fit into MOLLE. The flat back is also perfect for adhesive Velcro tape. SOG's Pentagon FX system of knives is highly capable and a thoroughly modern solution for users looking for a fixed blade duty knife. Pentagon FX and Pentagon FX Covert will be available for the fall of 2021 with an MSRP of $221.95 for FX and $166.95 for FX Covert. To find out when the Pentagon FX family is available, click on the link in the bio or description and register for alerts.